Alright, so you can see in my video I decided to change this to how TikTok stars form. I've got my text box here for my thought bubbles. Technically these are actually called callouts, so it's under shapes, callouts, and I would recommend using those for your text. If it ends up behind your frame box or your picture that you have, again, remember to go up to Arrange and then Bring to Front. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to add in some pictures. And you can search the web. Let's do something with branding. Never know what we're going to get on the internet here. Brand. So let's use this for a background image. It says it's creating the image. And then you use these blue squares in the corner to resize it. So maybe with this text box, or with this image, we might want to resize this. So let's also bring our frame up here. The other thing you can do is, if you are using images for your background, if you're using drawings, I would suggest keeping those frames. But if you're just using an image, you can click on the image and then go to Borders and add a 4-pixel border to that. And I'm going to change it so that the border is black. Now again, you see that my thought bubble disappeared. So if I click on that image, go to Arrange, and I'm going to send that to the back. And so that brings my call out thought bubble back up to the front. So with branding, it's important to have an original brand and idea for your channel. And maybe I want to make that thought bubble a little bigger. Check my grammar. And if you want to make the text bigger, you can select that text and increase the size. I'm going to leave mine relatively small. Don't go any smaller than 8 though. Alright, so branding maybe is the first step if you want to be TikTok famous. Let's see. Maybe for this next one I want to include one of my Bitmojis. And I want to do something with a family theme. And let's take this call out here. And this little yellow icon here on that call out will let you move that triangle part. Alright. Hey, family and friends. Tell all of your friends and family about my TikTok page or channel, or whatever they call those on TikTok, kind of like a YouTube channel, or YouTube channel, whatever, for our ridiculous example. All right, now you can continue to add pictures in here. You also have the option of doing hand drawings, and then you can take pictures of those and upload those using the camera on your computer. You can also upload those, taking pictures with your phone and uploading those to your drive, and then it becomes really easy to search for photos in your drive. If you want to go with a more low-tech option, you can actually draw out your entire comic on paper, take a picture of it, and then either attach it, and I prefer you attach it or insert it into this Google slide, but if you want to attach it directly to your assignment, that would also work. So hopefully this can help you out with some ideas on how to do a star comic. One final thing. Did want to show you guys some examples. I have some examples in class, but here's an online example from actually another website that did a similar project. And so here they did a comic, temperature, main sequence star, lifespan, etc. Red giant. Kind of talking about what's going on here with this life cycle. All right, so again, hopefully that helps. Please reach out if you have questions.